In this video, I will show you how to create a brand new TikTok account using the same TikTok app. So let's get started. Open TikTok app on your phone and tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on your username at the top. You will see an option called Add Account. Then tap on Add Account. Choose how you want to create your new account. Use phone number, email, or continue with Google, Facebook as you wish. Tap on Continue. Verify your phone number or email. Then enter your details. Set your birthday. Then create a password and create nickname. So follow the on-screen instruction. And finally tap on Continue. Now new TikTok account is ready. You can switch between accounts anytime by tapping your username again. That's it. This is how you can create a new TikTok account using just one TikTok app. Thanks for watching.